guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start on with this video, I just want to wish you guys a very happy new year, a belated happy new year. I mean, we're already in the month of February, like the second month of 2019. Like, where did January even go? I feel like we had just celebrated New Year's and we're already in the second month of 2019. Insane, right? So yeah, I just want to thank you guys for, being so patient with my videos. I know I've posted only one video this year, but I didn't have a lot of exciting video ideas that I wanted to share with you. So, I was just taking my time, and when an exciting idea popped in my head, like today, I decided to make this video. So as you guys probably know, I was in India for the whole month of December, and I was there to meet my friends and family, and it was just the most amazing trip. When I was packing my makeup, I did put a lot of thought in it. My makeup is really important to me, so I put a lot of thought in where did I want to put my makeup, my carry-on luggage or my check-in luggage. I always had this fear, what if I lose my makeup? I did carry most of my makeup with me in my carry-on luggage, and the bigger items, like maybe my MAC Fix Plus or my heat protectant spray or something like that, I put that in my check-in, which honestly I was okay losing. But most of my makeup, which is near and dear to me, I did carry all of that with me. I did carry a lot of makeup, and I did give away a lot of that to my friends and my sister especially. So that always stuck with me. What if I lost all my makeup? What are the first makeup products that I will go out and purchase? That's where the idea for this video came from. So today I'm going to share with you 5 makeup products that I'll go out and buy if I lose all of my makeup. Scary. I hope that never happens to me. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to talk about is my Milani Conceal and Perfect. Now you guys have seen me use this in so many videos, right? Right from my Diwali party to one of my friend's weddings. I have worn this product in so many situations. And mind you, India is hot, India is humid. I had this foundation on my face for about 10 to 11 hours when I wore this for my friend's wedding, and I did not touch up even once. We were dancing, I was out, I was sweating. This did not move. Now of course I did set it with my setting powder and my Fix Plus, but still 10-11 hours out in the humidity is a long time, and that too without touch-ups. It's amazing. Another reason why I would go out and purchase this is because it's not only a foundation, but it's also a concealer. So I don't need to go out and buy another concealer to cover my dark circles or dark spots or whatever. I could just dot some of this on my problem areas, blend it out, and no one would have a single idea I had any problem on my face. So yeah, this would definitely be one of the first purchases I would go out and do if ever I lost my makeup. Now the second product is my Maybelline Eye Studio. Now I am one of those people who look very sick if they don't apply any eyeliner. If I go to work, I don't have my eyeliner, the basic eyeliner, if I don't have it, people would assume that I'm sick or I've been crying all night long. So why I would go ahead and buy Maybelline Eye Studio is because this is one of the best eyeliners out there if you are in a sweaty situation, if you want to wear an eyeliner for a long time. Again, I did wear this for my friend's wedding, did not move, did not budge. I did not set it with any black eyeshadow or anything. This was just on its own. It held its ground, it proved its worth, and that is why I would definitely go out and buy this if I did lose my makeup. I don't want to say it again and again. I just feel like I'm gonna jinx myself and I'm actually gonna lose my makeup. Please guys, don't go anywhere, don't leave me. The next makeup product is my L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Mascara. You guys know I have used this so many times. I'm wearing it today. I love the fluttery lashes that this gives me. It doesn't feel heavy. I have again worn this on night outs, weddings. I have tested it in different situations. It's always proved its worth. It just gives me the most fluttery, natural looking lashes that I like, and it doesn't go down after a few hours. It just holds my curl really well. If you have watched my videos long enough, you guys know I don't curl my lashes. So this just gives me the most amazing. And by the way, I rarely use the first side, which is the primer side on this mascara. Now my friend Rashi, who did my makeup, makeup while I was in India. I'm gonna link that video up on the screen so you can go ahead and check that out. And she actually bent my mascara once, so thank you, Rashi. Back to the point, I rarely use the primer side, but I always use this like mascara end, and it's just worked amazingly well for me. So yeah, that would again be one of the first 5 products I would go out and buy in case ... Okay, so the next product that I'm going to talk about is a really versatile product, and I am one of those people who don't like to pack 10 things to do one step. I'm always on the lookout for products that can help me, multitask things, and for me that would be this Maybelline face palette. It's called the Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio, and it comes with these 3 pans inside, which I feel are decently sized for the price. So you have the contour, blush and highlight, and you can not only use these products like they're meant to be used, like contour, blush and highlight, you can actually make a nice simple eyeshadow look with these 3 shades. You can use this contouring powder in your crease, you can use the blush shade all over your eyelids, and the highlight you can basically use all over your face. So I really love that about this, and you can create like the most simple and natural look with this in like no time. So you don't have to go ahead and buy another eyeshadow palette. So yeah, this would again be one of those products that I will buy if... Now let me point out that all the 5 things that I'm talking about are not planned in any way. I just opened my makeup drawer and I was like, okay, what are the first 5 things I would pull out of this drawer if I was like, just dashing out of the door, or if I honestly lost all of my makeup? And these were the 5 things that really popped up, and they were like, me, and I was like, yep. I know I have tested these products time and time again, and these are my absolute favorite products. So the last product that I'm going to talk about is a lipstick, and it's called Touch of Spice. It's a nice like matte rosy pink shade, goes with any possible look that you're creating. You can just top it off with a gloss that is maybe for the daytime, nighttime, whatever, or just wear this lipstick on its own. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. Just look at this. I've used this so much, and yeah, I wear this every single day when I go to work. It's just one of my favorites, and again, the price point on this isn't too high. It's by Maybelline, it's reasonable, it's drugstore. Okay, so those were 5 makeup products, but let me throw in one bonus product, which is not really a makeup product, but it's my holy grail, my favorite, cannot live without it, and that is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I know you guys are probably sick of hearing me talk about this product for so long over the years. This is probably one of the first products I ever talked about on this channel, and now it's been almost 3.5 years, and I am still talking about this. I have traveled with this like on all of my trips. Like I just cannot. Like we've had some really harsh wintry days, and my skin never ever felt dry or itchy, scratchy, nothing. And I have used this in every kind of weather. I've worn this in India on like very hot and humid days. I've worn this here in like negative 30 degrees Celsius. I've worn this during like really rainy days. It's just never disappointed me. So yeah, that's why I had to mention this product in this video. So yeah guys, these were the 5 makeup products and one bonus product that I will definitely run out and buy in case I lose all of my makeup, or if I'm in a situation where I'm not prepared, I don't have my makeup products with me. I feel like if I go out and buy just these 5-6 products, I will definitely be covered, and these will not disappoint me in any way. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you're having an amazing 2019. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a nice big thumbs up, and while you're there, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday. And on that note, as I always say, take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.